watch it.
Thank
You're
you.
right.
Thank you so much, Vikram. Thank you so much for your question.
I have one for Ananya as well. In the past 2 3 weeks, what is that one emotion from the movie that you've been relating to a lot more? Ah, joy. Pure joy. Yes. Amazing. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your question. We'll pass on the mic to somebody else. There you are. Samina, question from you.
My question is to you. Disney has come with a lot of shows. So what is the brand's USP while producing some shows like this? Be it having voice of Ananya or Priyanka Chopra for that matter on board.
Sorry, can you say that again?
What is the USP for the team, for the OTT team? While presenting such actors, for shows like this, which are animated versions.
So the idea is, I'll take off from the question that I answered, is to see to it that these are enjoyable films. Because they're highly entertaining. There is so many people who can enjoy it, irrespective of their age. And they work at so many levels. They work at a level of these animation films from Pixar, whether it's Ratatouille or Wall-E, or inside or they work at various levels. They work at kids level, the kids can be entertained. It works at an adult level, the adult can be entertained. So the idea is to get as many people as they can to enjoy the film. And that's the uniqueness that we're trying to get with, let's say, Ananya to come on board to widen the audience. Yeah, you enjoy PJ.
And just to add to this is a theatrical release. What is your success mantra for such movies? And why Ananya Pandey for this?
सक्सेस मंत्रा तो अब मैं अगर यहाँ पे खड़े पे होता और मुझे पूछ रहा होता कि आप कौन सा इसमें से इमोशन है, तो मेरे तो फिल्म बिजनेस वालों का तो एंजाइटी होता है हर फ्राइडे, तो वहाँ पे रुकता तो सक्सेस तो मैंने फ्राइडे को पता चलेगा, बट वी हैव टू एंजॉय द जर्नी. एंड व्हाई अनन्या पांडे, व्हाई नॉट जस्ट लुक एट हर, शी इज द परफेक्ट Riley. She has the dynamism, the energy that we wanted for Riley, and she's the youth icon. We want to connect with this film with all the young people out there, or anybody who's ever been young or is going to be young. So she's the perfect embodiment of that.
Ananya, my question is to you.
Yes.
We get to see a lot of emotions of yours, and you were the first one of those actresses who had come out and spoken about mental awareness. You have your own product, where you talk about so positive, and you have tried, and you have weighed through your ways of social media trolling and all. What is that one emotion as an actress that you face the most when you're presenting yourself?
Thank you for bringing up so positive. Actually, another important factor when I was, asked to play Riley, I realized that it tied into a lot with what I've been speaking about for so many years when it comes to positivity. And as I said, कि हम सिर्फ ऐसे toxic positive नहीं हो सकते. We have to feel all the emotions. There has to be sadness to balance that out. But definitely, as a young actor who started out when she was 18, there's always been fear. And there always will be fear. So I think putting yourself out there can be scary, and there's fear in that. But someone once told me that, by not being yourself, you might get 100 people to like you. But by being yourself, even if 5 people like you in the long run, that's way more fulfilling. So that's what I try to go back. So that will give me joy. So fear and joy.
Thank you for your enjoy. All right. Our next question comes from.
Hi, this is Leila from Bollywood Helpline. मेरा सवाल आपसे अनन्या कि
Bollywood helpline. Wow, there's like a helpline now.
Can we call?
Yeah, what's the number? Have complaints. Yes.
मेरा सवाल आपसे कि समटाइम्स हैपन ना कि इतने सारे आपके अपने इमोशन हमने देखे हैं, कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि सारे इमोशन एक साथ बाहर आ जाते हैं, आप उसे कैसे टैकल करते हैं?
लोगों को टैकल करना पड़ता है, मुझे टैकल नहीं करना पड़ता, मेरे तो आते ही हैं इमोशंस बाहर. Then I leave it to the world to handle me.
Thank you so much, and please give us your number. Thank you. We'll pass on the mic.
हाय अनन्या, दिस इज रवि फ्रॉम एबीपी न्यूज़. हाय अनन्या, मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कि जब हम खुद किसी फिल्म में काम करते हैं और खुद उसकी डबिंग करते हैं, तो हमें पता होता है कि वो राइट इमोशन क्या है, हमने क्या डायलॉग बोला है और कैसे लिपसिंग करना है. लेकिन जब हम एक ऐसे किरदार के लिए डब करते हैं जो कि एक कार्टून कैरेक्टर है, बहुत पॉपुलर है, तो ये एक्सपीरियंस कितना डिफिकल्ट था आपके लिए या आसान था, क्योंकि ये आपके लिए नया था? तो पहले मैं ये जानना चाहूँगा.
आई थिंक जब मैं कैरेक्टर के लिए करती हूँ, जो मैंने खुद प्ले किया है, बहुत ओवर थिंकिंग होती है उस टाइम, कि हमें बैक स्टोरी के बारे में सोचना है. हमने उस दिन जब हम सेट पे थे, हमने क्या इमोशन पिच किया था, बहुत फिनेस होता है उसमें. और व्हेन आई वाज डबिंग फॉर दिस, मैंने कोशिश की कि मैं वो लाऊं, but when I realized that I'm playing a teenage girl, I had to just think of that कि मैं कैसी थी जब when I was a teenager, मेरी voice कैसी थी when I was feeling certain emotions, क्या निकलता था. And yeah, I think remembering just the age of the character and जितना भी आप research कर सकते हो, like I watched Inside Out the first part again to get a little bit backstory of hers, but that was as much as I could do. But मुझे actually बहुत मजा आया. I felt very free. I wasn't tied into कि मुझे ये करना है वो करना है. I felt very free.